You know, I had a pretty shitty day today. It's raining outside. I just feel sad. And I just know it's gonna get a lot worse because that fat lesbian looking dude is gonna come in here and say some annoying shit. God damn. Life sucks.
Hey guys, what's up?
Get out of here, you fat bitch!
I'm doing alright. I'm getting better, I think. Kleenex has a monopoly on the sanitary tissue market. Kind of like how Jacuzzi has a monopoly on the hot tub market.
I said get the fuck out!
Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, sorry. If anybody wants to listen to Car Seat Headrest with me, you can. I don't mind company.
Great. Okay, now that he's gone, we could get back to business. Let's talk brass tacks.
Okay, Mom, don't turn off my GameCube while I'm at school. I'm trying to unlock Mewtwo in Super Smash Brothers.
Get off the fucking GameCube!
Fine, you little bitch. Cry about it.
Alright, so if it's raining like a storm and you can't go outside and play, you could always play video games. And today I'm gonna show you how to be a pro Melee player. If you did everything correctly, you should be really good at the game and you'll be ready for the tournaments. Thank you. Now get the fuck out!